guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another unboxing video. I actually purchased some stuff from Boxed. I have a Ibotta account that I use, and then I purchase things online through Ibotta, and then I get cash back for that, and then I also get cash back from Boxed. So yeah, racking in the cash back. So I have here with me my son Patrick, and I'm gonna let him open the box. You might want to use this. Be careful, no cutting yourself or me.
You that scared me?
You got a knife facing this way, yeah. Okay, be careful how you're holding that knife. It's not that. When you cut the stuff. What can I cut it here? Wow. I didn't hear anything. You sure you don't need help?
Mom, I got this.
All right, Patrick.
Yeah, but I don't know how to open Christmas presents.
I don't know. You're doing it kind of slow here.
No, not everything is fast, Mr. Rabbit. We got some wrapping paper.
There's actually two boxes, and this is the smallest. It's not for you. So take it out the box.
So who's
So on Boxed, you could order a lot of stuff. Is it one thing in here or two? Oh,
I don't know, but it's huge.
It's heavy too.
Ooh.
Oh, this is only one item.
Right.
You want me to hold this?
Yeah, hold the box.
Hold that good so you don't drop it. I'll
Ready?
take this. There you go.
Holy jammer. Who's it for?
Let me see. Just open my stuff. So, by sharing this link, if I get anyone that joins it or use it, they get $15 and I get $15. How cool is that?
I need $15 and you do too. Click the link in the description. Sounds like we're sponsoring an ad.
I know.
You need $15? Because you
I need more than
15% on Geico.
Okay, so I got the Kool-Aid Jammers. Come on, Patrick. Kool-Aid Jammers. 10, 20, 30, 40. And, yep. So they're different flavors. Cherry, grape, tropical punch, and strawberry kiwi. Next. So this other box is actually too big for him to hold it on his lap. So he's just going to have to pull it in front of him and then take the things out. So you can do it like that.
Want to move the chair? Why can put it on the chair?
But then we won't be able to see you. Unless you're going to be kneeling. That's a lot of kneeling. That's a heavy box. So we won't be putting it on the chair.
Alright.
Okay.
We got the box. Gotta do my pro cut.
Mine, be careful. Put the knife.
Mom.
See, now he's trying to take my leg.
Did I just say Pringles and you said these aren't for me?
Come on, open the box.
Who are these for?
It's for the monsters in my tummy.
ASMR.
Ooh. Oh, no, it's true.
Ow, my pinky.
Oh, man.
Oh, wow.
Come on. I gotta go to work. Okay.
Go with this first. Aunt Jemima. Original. 36-ounce jumbo-sized syrup.
I forgot I just got one, too. So now we got two. All right.
Start with another bag. Lunch bags. Premium brown paper. Easy opening. Self-standing.
All right. Stop.
Right, this is the big one. Cup noodles.
Oh, sorry.
Cut my lip.
Oh, Hi, honey.
Cup noodles. Cup noodles. We got all chicken. No other flavors, but that's okay.
Well, that's fine.
24 pack, 2.5 ounces.
Okay.
Now we got my favorite.
Wait, do the ones on top, yeah.
Pringles. 48 cups of it. The original. Just listen to it.
I can eat one right now.
Now, we got the bubbly or bubbly.
But don't shake it though.
Didn't you say these were nasty?
I didn't know.
I'm gonna take one out and try it.
Can you do the unboxing? We could try one together.
Bug for all taste buds.
We'll see how this tastes. Somebody told me they taste really good, and I kind of thought they did, but I had one yesterday. Day before yesterday, I threw it away. Didn't like it. But actually, that was different. That was the one from the dollar store.
Yeah, I was gonna say this is like the soda.
Because I got these so I can have to drink at
more
work.
bubblies.
A different kind.
Different kinds, but same packaging.
Okay.
Stack them up.
Don't shake them.
You know what we should do for the video? Stack all this on top of
And
each
take the
other,
picture.
and then put the like. You remember the thing we used to block the
Okay,
TV?
come on. I gotta put it here.
Mac and cheese, the taste you love. No artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial.
Okay, you're gonna bite your tongue. Mac and cheese, 18 boxes.
18.
And receipts.
And a little packaging.
Oh, I got a nice, until next time, thank you. And of course, it has my name and it says to enjoy my order. Stock up at box.com.
And receipt.
And in there, so yeah, so actually, okay, so I got 2 referrals that I can use. It says that I saved $26.02 on this one. Let's see what the other one says. Okay, so it's a total of $26.02 that I saved.
Ooh.
So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 items total. So
And $26 back.
I saved 26. I spent, being that its bulk was a little expensive, as if I had went to the store, but I spent $80. And then, but I got cash back on Ibotta, and I earned like cash points for signing up for Box. So to me, it actually worked out, and as you can see, is they're in bulk. So I don't think I did too bad. So that's it. You want to try a bubbly real quick? We're going to try a bubbly in this video.
Mac and cheese. I'm gonna put it back.
Yeah, so for now, just stuck it there.
Okay.
That's on top, just take one. Don't open it all the way.
You want one too?
Yeah. My video. I gotta check it because I gotta go. You sit there. So I have the cherry bubbly.
We both have cherry.
So we're gonna try it. Sorry, I don't. Really? Really? Yeah. How smart? Just try it. Just try it. All that was not necessary, but
It better taste good for that.
cause you went up there.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Not for me. But I think you could put. Don't waste it. Ew. I don't know who said it tastes good, but it don't taste good. All smiles. I think you could put like fruits
in it.
Yeah.
Make like a smoothie.
You don't have to do a smoothie. You know, like when you do water infused, like fruit infused waters. I think that's what they do. You got to make it cold. Stop! Don't. That face not pretty. So you someone told me that it will taste good, so I'm gonna try it. You can put the fruits in there instead of using like plain water, and you put it in a fridge to chill, and it will get the taste of the fruits. There's pineapple in there. Who's pineapple? Was it from the can or something?
It was just in a cup.
Oh, that's not mine. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to drink this. I don't really like it though.
Chug, chug, chug.
Yeah, okay. That's it for that. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you guys next time. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Yeah, that too. All right.